Alright everyone, sound deadening update. I am done. Here is my finished product. All these random pieces you see, there's no rhyme or reason for that. Just extra stuff. Extra sound deadening material. The only reason I did put it in these specific areas. So if you think of this like the headboard area, right? The sleeping area. That's where this is going to be. I put a lot of the extra stuff on the floor. And then the roof will also be mostly saturated. I do have these couple spots, but that's going to be for my fans. Ventilation, but I do have a couple extra pieces to put in there, and then also once I remove this light, I've got extra pieces for there, and that is sound deadening. A couple tips. I do have sound deadening behind the panels. When you take these off, when you're planning for how much material you're going to use, this keeps going. Okay, so just FYI. Same with that door, same with this door. Also in here. Okay. I don't know if you can see it yet, but I got a little extra strip. Same on that side. And that's it. Ventilation and subflooring is next. Thank you.